Hi everyone. Today we will learn about phases of the moon. So, we almost see the moon every night, but do you notice how the moon changes throughout a month? Fun fact, the word month evolved from the Proto-Germanic word menon, which means moon. So, in this learning session, student will have two learning outcomes. The first one is student will be able to describe the main phases of the moon and explain why they are the different of moon phases. So actually the moon is a natural satellite of the earth and the moon orbits around the earth and one orbit takes approximately 28 days. And the moon is actually do not create its own light, but it reflects light from the sun instead. As the moon rotates around the earth, different parts of it reflect light from the sun. How we see it is depend on its location around its orbit, and this is what we call the moon's phases. The moon goes through 8 phases in a span of approximately 28 days. It's starting with new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, last quarter, waning crescent, and back to new moon. Have you seen the moon this morning? It's actually depending on its position in the sky. The moon sometimes catches more sunlight, making it visible during the daytime. So actually, there are four main phases of the moon that you need to know. The first one is waxing, second one is waning, third is new moon, and the fourth is full moon. For waxing, you need to know that the right side of the moon appears brighter, while waning, making the left side of the moon appears brighter. And for the new moon, is actually the moon is between the earth and the sun. So its light side is facing away from the earth. And for the full moon, the earth is between the sun and the moon. So the moon is brightest at this phase. So a little bit review. The first one, the moon is always visible. The intensity of the sun's reflection makes the moon actually can be visible during the day. Second, moon's phases are a cycle. We can see the moon's different phases every 28 to 30 days. And last one is moon is Earth's satellite. The moon rotates around the earth and it also spins on its own axis. So now maybe you guys can do this during holiday or during at home, which is you can track the moon. You can look at the sky every 2 to 3 days and note what the moon looks like. And maybe you can take the calculation how many days the moon will change its phase and how long does it take before the moon moves from one phase to another. That's all for today. Thank you.